At this point, I go to the Warehouse Management module. I open all shipments. The load ID is created. I open the shipment details to complete the warehouse work. To do that, I select the worker's user ID. I validate the work. Once it's valid, the put process is done and the item is ready to pack. I go to Packing and Containerization, select the packing station, and click OK. Now I can create my container. This is my shipment ID. I click New Container. A small box is enough. Click OK. In Item Packing, this works like a barcode scanner. I use the identifier. The product is ready, so I can close the container. This screen is a standard operation. You scan barcodes, moving items from the tote into shipping containers. If we select Get System Weight, it brings the weight from the product master. It's unavailable here because this is a cloud demo VM, but on a real packing station. We install a small agent that communicates with the scales to capture actual weight and run weight verification. If the weight is off by 5% or 10%, we can block closing the container and raise an exception. I click OK, and once I do, the label, commercial invoice, and tracking number are created. You can see the commercial invoice here, including exporter and consignee info, item details, and harmonized code. The carrier is DHL Express, and the tracking number is here. In this demo, we use a virtual ZPL printer. This is the DHL Express label with tracking and address details. Everything about the shipment is here. In a real setup, the packing station is connected to a label printer, so the shipping label prints immediately. You can also display or print the commercial invoice. Packing slips can print automatically when you close the container.